Last time I made a detailed videos about royalQ and review and my experiences on royalQ. Pardon me. All right. So I talked about the earning possibility, the referral process, that's the extra referral process, and then how to connect it to your account, how to register it. All right. But yeah, in that video, I didn't make like a much more documentary about it, and since then a couple of persons have signed up and I've been receiving testimonial. If you check on the community storyboard, or I post a picture post on the community, you will see some posts I've made about some person who from here registered from this our YouTube channel here, registered, and they started earning good money from it because the risk level of royalQ crypto trading is very low, very low. All right, it's absolutely very low. It's just like your same way of buying crypto when it's low and then selling it when it's high. So the bot automatically does that for you, buy and sell it. And then this one, you are not sending money to anybody. You're not sending money to any robot to do anything for you. The money is actually in your Binance account, in your control, which means you can actually withdraw it and then redeposit it back. You can take your money anytime, and all the bot have to do is to trade it, and you choose the particular cryptocurrency you want the bot to be trading for you. All right. So this I have here is another. It's just a clearer picture. All right, a clearer written documentary that I've merged two clips together to just make sure that you guys actually understand this possibly. All right, this is not even talking about the referral aspect of it, that if you actually decide to get into that, you can be earning a lot of passive income uh, every single day, like very massive. All right, it's massive. All right, I'm telling you, it's massive. Just trust me, it's massive. So uh just go through the documentary, the little video that I have for you here, and then if you want to register, the link is already in the description. It's the first link in the description. If you don't have a Binance account, it is the second link in the description, and then I've provided each of them a single video that shows the tutorial on how to actually go about registering them from beginning to the end. So and if you register, if you have any challenges or you need more assistance, feel free to send me an email. I'll definitely respond to that email. All right, and then guide you through. All right, I'll share you with my Instagram, or send me email or Instagram message, and then I'll guide you through all the entire process, so that you don't have to feel alone. So once you are registered, I could add you up to our team, a WhatsApp group, where you see other persons how they're earning, or we can share some knowledge, or maybe you can share some. If you have any challenges, you can also share there. All right. So it's just as simple as that. You don't have anything, no monthly fees, no subscription fee, apart from the first once you buy the boat. Apart from the yearly subscription, no monthly subscription. So that's just all. All right. So just watch the video right now and subscribe. All right, subscribe for more.
We live in a fast-paced world. Technology drives the economy. Digital money has become the future. Do you want to trade with ease? Are you a complete novice? Do you want to earn big time with digital currency? Then you need royalQ. royalQ is an automated robot that helps you with quantitative trading. It buys low and sells high. With just $120 annual subscription, royalQ will trade for you 24/7. Don't worry about your funds. They are 100% secure with Binance and Huobi exchanges. With your capital sitting securely through the trading period, making 10 to 50% return on your investment monthly is guaranteed when you trade using royalQ, depending on market forces. royalQ never loses trade. royalQ is 100% risk-free with $120 annual subscription. royalQ will do the rest. Sit back, relax, and watch your earnings grow.
royalQ is a one-click robot trading system that has made crypto trading possible for everybody, even if you have little or no experience in crypto trading, by using a quantification system. The advantage of quantitative trading is that it allows for optimal use of available data and eliminates the emotional decision-making that can occur during trading. So, to alleviate your trading strategies and make your profits touch the roof, you need a couple of worthy quantitative strategies. The royalQ quantification system adopts a multi-strategy, multi-technology fusion intelligent quantification mechanism. Users only need to select the corresponding investment style and click a key to start, and they can realize smart fool-style financial management. Due to our efficient use of artificial intelligence algorithms, the system will intelligently match the corresponding quantification strategy according to the market situation. Customers maximize their profits. We make it simple and handy for you. Using real-time strategies, we ensure you absolute security for your trade. Sign up now and experience the blockchain industry miracle. royalQ, the road to quantitative learning from scratch begins right here. Facts about royalQ crypto trading robot: trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Works on Android or iOS phones. Not affected by mobile data or Wi-Fi being off. Monthly subscriptions. No more sending money to third-party platform. Comes with a very rewarding referral program. No rank maintenance. Real-time payment. Instant withdrawals. Who is next to say yes to financial freedom?
This is for those that want to leverage on the referral aspect. Like you can see the referral section. This is how much you can earn each time you refer somebody. You earn $30 instantly, and then when you have like about 20% within your team that you've referred, like 20 people, whether directly from you or not directly from you, you can see the amount that you are capable of earning daily. So your earning power daily on average is at least about $50 when you have about 20 people within your team. That's for V2. V3 is about $250. V4 is about $1,000, and V5 is about $5,000, and V6 being the highest position within this bot robot is about $50,000 daily. And there are few people in this V6 that are actually earning that. I think I know one specifically. All right, so this is an opportunity for anyone to just seize and just start, making money, passive income. You don't necessarily have to be there for you to make all this amount that you're actually seeing on your screen right now. Like this here, this is the trading result for individuals account, and the next one you're about to see now is the referral result, like those, like the team quantitative referral result, what someone is getting from just the people he referred. All right, so just seize this opportunity and then make some good money for yourself and thank me later.